Alright, so I'm just going to explain this assignment really quick. So I want to kind of give you an idea on a very smaller scale of what sobriety and like what addiction kind of can feel like to someone trying to like get sober. So, and let me just preface this by saying I totally understand that Fortnite is different than someone addicted to heroin, okay? But this will give you somewhat of an idea, okay? So what you're going to do is for 2 weeks, I know that sounds like a lot, but you can do it. For 2 weeks, you're going to pick a drug of choice. So what I mean by that is something that you feel you're addicted to. So I've got some examples here. It could be soda. Maybe it's Rock Stars or something. Like you have 3 a day, or I don't know, some outrageous number. It could be candy. It could be social media, or just your phone in general. Netflix, video games. Anyway, so you're going to abstain. That means stay away from, refrain from using or taking or participating in or whatever that drug of choice for 2 weeks. At the end of those 2 weeks, you need to write a 2-page double-spaced paper about your experience, about what you learned about addiction. These are just some questions that will help you with the 2 pages to make sure that you actually get 2 pages. So when you submit this assignment, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to respond to all of this, and you can do that now. And then, with the following on this same document, the next 2 pages need to be your written paper. So you're going to respond to these. What's your plan of action? Maybe it's that your drug of choice is going to be giving up soda. So your plan of action is to, anytime you get the urge, you put in some gum, or you carry a water bottle around, or I don't know, whatever it is. Challenges you face, maybe it's that your family drinks a lot of soda, and so it's really tempting and it's easy for you to have access. What are your triggers? Maybe it's seeing your family, or opening the fridge and there it is, or triggers might be on the way to school. Like maybe it's an everyday thing that it's just a habit. On the way to school, you go and get a soda or whatever. And then how will you fight the urge? So let me just make it clear. You need to come up with your drug of choice, and then starting today, you need to give that up, or I guess you can do it tomorrow, starting tomorrow, whatever. But right now, you can answer these questions. And then after 2 weeks, on the following 2 pages, like so, down here is where you'll start writing your paper. Start your 2-page paper here. Okay? And you'll write, and I want you to make sure you're using correct punctuation, grammar, spelling, everything that you would need to make sure in one of your ELA classes. Make sure that you're writing and spelling everything right, using punctuation and capitalization and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions on this assignment. Good luck.